I don't know it has teeth.
Yeah, fish. What's this? I can't find the axolotl.
I'm not sure if there's an axolotl there, but you see other fish. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the one at the bottom.
Yeah, what's that?
Oh.
Look at all these fish. There's a dory fish.
Let's go in here.
There's
Wait, Mommy, look over here.
it's over here.
Let's see inside.
Oh, wow.
I wonder how to get there.
I don't know. How do you think you get there?
Mommy, is this like a magnifying glass?
Kind of. It's a dome.
Well, why is that so big? Is it supposed to be big?
I think so. Coral, yeah. It's a penguin.
Very well fed.
What? Where are you looking? Yeah.
Edgy, what are the penguins' names?
I don't know.
They're up close.
Hi, Penguin. My name is Edge.
What are you doing?
Oh, yeah, Clement.
Yeah. What do you think he's doing? Maybe if we stand over a little bit further, we can see. Oh, no, we can't. Maybe he's fixing the...
Hey, what's down there, Sean?
What do you see?
I think those fish are salt. Shall we go down there?
We can in a little bit.
We said,
We can in a little bit.
How?
Oh, what'd they get?
Yeah.
How cool. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
Try it again, Edge.
want to put your hand all the way in?
Hold it down there? Okay.
Like that?
Let's see. Let's see. Oh. Yeah.
How cool is that, Ed?
Yeah.
This is, what is this? Turkish
This
towel.
red algae, also called Turkish towel, and constant.
Oh.
Have you touched the constant before?
Wow, there's way more over there. But let's look at this one because there's less people. Oh, look at that. How many did you count? 1, 2.
1, 2. I think I see another one.
Wow.
4. I'm trying to hit them.
Don't hit them.
Are they nice?
They're nice.
Can you touch them?
No, we can't touch them.
1.
Because they're behind the glass. Which one? What do you name them?
It's like the jellyfish and SpongeBob.
Yeah? What's the jellyfish and SpongeBob's name?
I don't know.
I don't either.
Look this. Let's go. I like jellyfish. But where are they going?
Want the long sleeve?
Are you having fun, Edgy? Don't climb it. No, no, no. Edgy, we don't climb that. Edgy, don't climb that.
Oh, make it. Come on in, brother. Oh, he wants out. Eddie, look out. Come there. Okay, get out. Come on. have no idea. I'm tired. What about you? There, you try. Zoom straight up to him.
Eric, wait.
Ready, Omar?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
Whoa, hi!
Melissa.
Oh, let's go.
Let's stand on this.
Yeah, you can. Go ahead.
Start fishing.
How cool is that?
Well, that's not a shark.
Oh, was it a shark? What was it?
It's a dolphin.
Okay.
Keep moving.
Keep moving. Whoa! Did it scare you? Wow. And a 2, and a 1, 2, 3. Let's see.
Real?
That's called a Turkish towel.
Are these real?
Our lives. Here, you want a Turkish towel?
But I don't know, but I can't tell. Why can we not tell?
If it's alive or not?
Yeah.
Go, 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 go.
Daddy, can you do that really fast?
Do it again. Are they robots now? Or are they just dancing? Cool. What do you want to do? You want to show us your other side? Whoa! That one's shiny. Yeah, it looks like a goldfish.